A very warm and graceful good evening to one and all. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. By keeping these Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad words in mind and applying it in my working. I, Dr. Pitambar Humne, founder Botany for You and Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. On behalf of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences, in association with Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. I welcomes you all in this valedictory function of 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences. Respected Honorable President, Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Shri Harshavardhanji Deshmukh, Honorable President Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Advocate Shri Ullasji Aurangabadkar Sir, Honorable Vice Presidents Dr. Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Dr. Naresh Chandraji Thakre, Dr. Ramchandraji Shedke, and Advocate Gajanan Raoji Kunkar. Honorable Vice President of Dharampet Education Society, Nagpur, Advocate Sanjeevji Deshpande, Honorable Secretaries of both education societies, Shri Sheshravji Khade and Shri Ratnakarji Kekatpure. Respected conveners and principals of hosting institutes of this national workshop, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Dr. ZP Bathena Ma'am, Professor and Principal, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Vijay Thakre, Principal, Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Dr. R.M. Bhisesar, Principal, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Organizing Committee and Founder Members of Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Pase, Senior Scientist, University of Virginia, School of Medicine, Virginia State, US. Dr. Nitin Labane, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai. Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and Dr. Deepak Koche, Professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Respected teachers associated with Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences, and my dear student participants. Dear students and friends, our mission is to empower students to be achievers and responsible, committed individuals with human values so that they can become asset to family, society, nation and the world. For this, we need your support, cooperation, enthusiasm, interest, seriousness, hard working, etc., which will help to carve your best career in this collaborative efforts through this online platform Botany for You. The aim and objective of organization of this workshop was to give best knowledge and methods which will be helpful for the preparation of NET and SET examination, which are mandatory made by the UGC for the students who want to make their career in teaching fields in higher education. As the syllabus is very massive and vast, it's not possible for the student to prepare for such kind of exam on their own or without having any specialized guidance. For this reason, Botany for You decided to give all such provisions to the students of life sciences through this online platform. In this national workshop, we have conducted 20 guest lectures from CSIR, UGC, NET, JRF, LS qualified faculties from all over the nation. As many more faculties are associated with this online platform and are willing to deliver lecture on CSIR, UGC, NET, LS preparation. Hence, this workshop is denoted as part 1. In future, we are planning for similar workshops of 3 days each in every month for 6 months exclusively on CSIR, UGC, NET, JRF, LS preparation in life sciences. In next month, that is from 17th to 19th August 2020, 3 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF preparation in Life Sciences Part 2 is already scheduled. Similarly, in every month, there will be 3 days workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF preparation. This will definitely help you to prepare for CSIR UGC NET JRF examination. I hope all of you must be attended all lectures and making yourself beneficial through all lectures. It's now time to thank each and everyone who are working day and night to give best of them to the students. It gives me immense pleasure and great pride to propose a formal vote of thanks for this 5 days national workshop which was organized for the student of Life Sciences from 21st to 25th July 2020. On this note, I express my sincere thanks to Honorable President Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Shri Harsharjanji Deshmukh, Honorable President Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Advocate Shri Ullasji Aurangabadkar for accepting our invitation and given the message for this workshop. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My heartfelt thanks to Honorable Vice Presidents of both the education societies, Dr. Naresh Chandraji Thakre, Dr. Ramchandraji Shedke, Advocate Gajanan Ravji Punkar and Advocate Sanjeevji Deshpande for their valuable support. I express my deep gratitude to Secretaries of both education societies, Sri Ratnakarji Kekatpure sir and Sri Shesharavji Khade for encouraging us to make this event successful. It's my proud privilege to utter my heartfelt thanks to all young and very dynamic principals and conveners of this national workshop. Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal Dharampet MP Memorial Science College Nagpur, Professor Dr. Z.P. Bathena Ma'am, Principal Bhavans College Andheri West, Mumbai, Dr. Vijay Thakre, Principal Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati, Dr. R.M. Bise sir, Principal Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science Akola. Without their support and encouragement, it was not possible to make this national workshop a grand success. All are like a backbone for us to conduct each and every event successfully. Thank you very much, you all. COVID-19 pandemic time making everyone techno-savvy, and to be a techno-savvy now become the need of time. But still it is very difficult to handle all type of softwares which are useful for online lectures. But still every speaker tried hard to prepare their lectures for the students. It's really a matter of proud for me to have such a devoted and hard worker speakers which are associated with us on this platform. And I take this honor to express my sincere thanks to all the guest speakers of this national workshop. On first day, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Founder Member Botany for You, Senior Scientist, University of Virginia, School of Medicine, Virginia, US. The second lecture was delivered by Kiran Randive sir, Associate Professor in Botany, Anna Saheb Magar Mahavidyalay, Pune. Dr. Amit Ballani, Assistant Professor in Biotechnology, Natubhai V. Patel College of Pure and Applied Sciences, Vallabh Vidyanagar, Anand, Gujarat. And Mr. Himanshu Jaiswal, Assistant Professor in Botany, J.D. Patil, Sangrudkar Mahavidyalay, Daryapur, District, Amravati. I am thankful to all of you. On second day, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Founder Member of Botany for You and Associate Professor in Botany, Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Dr. Avinash B. Adesar, Professor in Botany, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. Dr. P. Jasmine Lena, Assistant Professor and Head in Biochemistry, Prince Shri Venkateshwara Arts and Science College, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Mr. Shilanan Hivrade, Assistant Professor in Botany, Vinayak Vidyan Mahavidyalay, Nangaon, Khandeshwar, District, Amravati. On third day, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor in Botany, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai. The second lecture was delivered by Rahul Patil, Assistant Professor and Head in Zoology, RSS Balwant College, Beta, Sangli. Dr. Savita Mishra, Principal, Vidyasagar College of Education, Darjeeling, West Bengal. And the fourth lecture was delivered by Mr. Ralji Kanojia, Assistant Professor, Institute of Advanced Studies, Pune. For fourth day lectures, Dr. Deepak Kochi, founder member of Botany for You and professor in Botany, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Dr. Vivek Narkhedkar, Assistant Professor in Botany, MJF College and Science and VR Arts College, Batkuli, Amravati. Dr. Deepa Chauhan, Assistant Professor in Botany, Shah Science College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And Dr. Nikhat Naqvi, Associate Professor and Head in Department of Botany, SFS College, Seminary Hills, Nagpur. On fifth day, Miss Kiruba Pauldas, Assistant Professor in Microbiology, SICS Degree College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Ambernath West, Thane, Mumbai. Dr. Devi Chinmay M, Assistant Professor in Botany, Sri Ayappa College of Women, Chungalkadai, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. Mr. Shivaji Magar, Assistant Professor in Botany, TBS Dhanaji Nana Mahavidyalay, Faispur, Jalgaon. Thank you all of you once again. Looking forward for the similar association with you all in future also. My sincere gratitude goes to all faculties from life sciences all over the nation and my friends for their support in circulation of the brochure to their student and also for appreciation of this 5 days national workshop, because of whom only we got the overwhelming response for the workshop throughout the globe. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. I require the planning and a bird eye for details. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated founder members of Botany for You who are well versed in their job. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. I express my sincere thanks to all founder members of Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, and Dr. Deepak Koche. Finally, I would like to thank all the participants from various colleges all over India for giving us such devastating response for this workshop. I am confident that you all are highly benefited through all sessions and are able to enhance your knowledge for these exams. And I am sure that you all have enjoyed all the sessions provided to you through our online platform Botany for You for the students of life sciences. We will extend this platform as an online open access classroom for the student of life sciences in future in a real sense. For this, your cooperation is solicited. Thank you very much you all. I am feeling very honored to associate with you all. Thanks a lot once again. Stay home, stay safe.